Are you looking for drones at such a reasonable price range? Then best drones under $700. This article is just for you. Drone or quadcopter has become a trend for our new generations. Even professionals highly recommended these devices for their operational purpose. You can easily capture your dream destination at any distance through the use of a drone. Number 1. Parrot PF728000. It has a great camera with full HD or 2.7K video, 2704x1520, and a 21MP photo shoot capability that you can enjoy all the time. The Parrot Anfi drone has a nice and stylish case. These drones can capture many images in a single moment with a 180 degrees vertical tilt camera for dive shots. It even has users collecting 10 pictures per second. 60% faster charging by USB Type-C charger. Its temperature range is -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. It has a sky controller remote control, so you can control it as you wish. It's 2 hours of battery life so you can fly safely. An Anfi is a tiny drone. It has fancy features and the ability to hold slow motion videos, so it can collect pictures by itself. Its excellent camera with 3x zoom easily can capture sports and action-based video. USB Type-C charging system able to reflect for carrying. Very light, so portable everywhere. To me, the Parrot Anfi seems to be the greatest of the other drones. For the past 4 years, I've used these drones, including another. The Parrot Anfi is a lightweight, easily portable drone. I will take it to my sports or fly for its lightweight. It's 25 minutes to land this drone. I can conveniently catch my choice of images and videos. Both airframes, including sensors, are served by the drone. It is why it seems easy to have influence. I don't think you should monitor Parrot drones because they aren't equipped with an ADA camera. As a result, it will not work. I may charge the battery on any smartphone or USB Type-C adapter after the charging is over. Its unique features and aspects remind us of its enormous and outstanding application. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. If you are looking for a beginner, budget-friendly drone, then this will be a perfect pack for you, because it comes with a Mini 2 Morefly combo, an intelligent flight battery, two-way charging hub, propellers, and so many other things included. Except all these accessories provide so many amazing features. A unique fact about this drone is its weight. Its very compact and convenient weight makes it travel friendly and also easy to handle the drone anywhere. A 12MP 4K camera will provide the smoothest flying guarantee to impress. 3-axis motorized with 30 FPS maintaining the high quality image and videos themselves. It can provide quick shortcuts, and you don't have to fly far or get closer to the project because it is 4x zooming quality that can give your dream shot at your nearest point. No matter what age photographer or video maker you are, it can provide you with experienced finishing, so you don't have to edit too much. DJI Mini 2 costs under $700. But we can call it the best drone for under $800. It will also be the best drone under the $1,000 category. My DJI Mini 2 fly hamper was sent to my cousin as a gift. He was new to the drone and made an excellent first click. They perform best when you combine all of the elements. Make sure you have prop guards if you're flying the drone indoors. Allow it to sit outdoors in outdoor spaces for a while. The Mini 2 is louder in general and has better engines in normal mode. In sports mode, it's pretty loud. It's a bonus for such a small budget. We wouldn't need to do some editing with the picture we took from Mini 2. Moreover, the drone's battery life is outstanding. You won't have to think about battery life with the DJI Mini 2. I'd like that. 2. Number 3. Holystone HS720E. Holystone is famous for its advanced technology. If you are looking for something very superior, then you must have this drone. Their image quality makes the brand appreciable. Holystone drones are always praiseworthy for their advanced technology. Their superior image quality will give a professional look to your capture. Besides, Their 4K camera can capture any distance clicks. You can smoothly take 60 FPS video recording through this drone. The flight time of this drone is amazing. It can provide clueless video and ensure premium HD quality in an accurate dimension. With their whole package, you will get a high-quality remote control, hover stably, optical flow and air pressure altitude, and brushless motors. So it's an ultimate pro drone set for adults, and beginners will also enjoy the easy use function and features. My nephew, as a technical worker, has a strong preference for drones. It was his second buy from this firm. The Holy Stone drone is easy to use and transport. I can use it without limitation, even. By the way, this most popular product is available at such a low price. When used with a camera, GPS trackers are beneficial. We'll wait until the improved version is available before moving. Without a doubt, it is a fantastic item. You can also purchase a Holy Stone drone to meet your specific requirements. Number 4. Ruko F11 Pro. Ruko F11 drones give stunning clarity with their 4K Ultra HD video quality. You will get max controller range and live video transmission at any height. It's straightforward to capture with a 120-degree f lens and 90-degree adjustable camera definition. Besides, the 2500 mAh battery can provide you longer flight time. The packaging will come with one extra battery and a 3A adapter, so you can easily take a flight with it longer. It's also rapid charging, which means you don't have to wait much to recharge the drone. You will get an extra case holder to carry the drone in travel easily. This drone has 300-500 meters of video and image transmission that can provide you with a clear vision at any distance. Besides all of this, you will get one transmitter, a user manual, extra propeller blades, and a USB cable throughout the whole package. It can be an enjoyable item for beginners and professionals to work with the drone. The Ruko F11 Pro is very impressive. I've had it since high school. It has started to lead well since then. Ruko F11 Pro will provide me with ease of use as well as the battery requirements. Within a few days, even my niece would be a pro at it. I can even take it by the case carrier easily. Its 4K HD camera and overall travel time make my job pretty easy. The resolution of the video is also appreciable. Since using this drone, I wouldn't have to modify it a lot. At a small cost, it's great for me. I am too happy with the services provided to customers. Number 5. Holy Stone HS700E. Are you looking for a drone like mine? Then Holy Stone HS700E 4K UHD is best for you. Because this drone has HS700 DPS capability with the 4K camera, the lens camera can give a panorama view to make your moments memorable. It has a 5G transmission 1642,600 FT and it can take imaginable high-quality selfies from far away. You can easily share them with the help of the application through social media. This drone is super convenient so that you can carry it everywhere. You made it with connectivity and an attractive design of a portable fuselage. With all of this in mind, you can easily make the HS700E outdoor and storable. As a gift for my niece, I bought the Holy Stone HS700 drone the year before. To see, it's a perfect smoke drone. But it was tough to believe it would be so enjoyable to use this drone. A follow-up button and remote control system are provided for this drone. 1080p camera in high resolution so that we can capture indoor and outdoor awesome photos and videos. This drone does not have the technology to avoid any obstacles, so we have to be flown very carefully. But with the help of the RTH button, we can bring back the tall building from the top of the room and the tree. You can use it by placing a button around the drone at the desired height from the phone app. You can definitely choose it for you or your family member.